Hey everybody, at BV Matson here. So working on the Apoca Spike, we're getting it rocking and rolling. And I'm telling you, I've never done this before. I've always mounted the tank or tried to do test tanks or those little, expandable tanks that you can kind of wire to the carbs. I'm telling you, I mean, you could just get a sawhorse and just pivot that off to the side of your motorcycle. It can be all hooked up, your petcock and everything, run your gas lines through, leave them little bit long while you're going through all the testing to make sure that everything's working, because then your tank is good, your petcock is good, and you can access everything. So if you need to do idle cable adjustments, or if you need to get in here to deal with your points or deal with anything on the bike, this makes it so much easier. I think this is something that I'm gonna do from here on out. I'm super excited that the Apoca Bike has finally come back to life. This is a beautiful motorcycle, and I'm telling you, if I would have had to take the tank on and off all night trying to figure out what my kind of gremlins were, it would have been a nightmare. So, just a simple little sawhorse. The tank sits right on there just perfectly, can run your gas lines in. It's pretty even, with the bike as it's gonna sit anyway. So really, really cool. But how fun is this? We can actually start the Apoca Spike. Of course, we got some carb adjustments to go, but it's running. And, really quick video tonight. But I just wanted to share that with you because it's so darn simple, and you're utilizing everything that you'd be using when you get the bike up and running. So the other thing that comes in really handy too is when you're dealing with your timing and adjusting that rotor inside of here with your wrench. Again, this was my first video that I ever made for motorcycles. Get yourself one of these little jacks, and you can actually use the jack to hold and adjust on your LF and F marks. I'll go ahead and link to that first video here so you can kind of see what's going on. But if you're working alone, this is absolutely key. Again, I'll link to that in the video here after a little while. But yeah, a little sawhorse and a little jack, and you're gonna be in good shape. Those are my two little tips for tonight. I'm excited, guys. The Apoca Spike is definitely coming together. So, guys, we'll see you in the next video or live stream. Be sure to check out keeponwrenching.com. Go request that free sticker. This bike is gonna be a good one. This one might be one of my best ones yet.